Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about different video conferencing applications that we can use freely. I'm saying the word freely, but actually some are not free. They have the plans, they have the pricings for different requirements, but also they provide us the free features, which can be a number of hosts, number of attendees, and for certain duration we can use the video conferencing. So let me first show you what are those 8 applications. Number one is Zoom, and then second is Microsoft Teams, third one is Google Meet, fourth is Flipgrid, which is now Flip, and then we have Cisco WebEx, then it's Adobe Connect, and then we have a Wonder, and the last one is Jitsi Meet. So we will discuss one by one the different plans and pricings all these 8 applications are offering. So if we talk about Zoom, Zoom is very famous application which we have seen even during the lockdown period all over the world. Many people, many educators were using Zoom, and it was completely free of cost. So we can just click on the see pricing button. So what they are going to offer us is, so they have 3 plans. Number one is free, that is a basic plan in which you can have the 100 attendees with a 40-minute limit. So if you have a requirement to engage participants up to 100 only, and like 40-minute session is okay with you, then you can definitely go for the free version of Zoom, and it also provide the feature of 3 whiteboards, and you can have the group chat and the file sharing. So this one is a free, and if you would like to go beyond it, with like they also give 5 GB of storage for the cloud storage, and you can have the up to 100 attendees, and you can have the 3 whiteboards. So you can see here they don't have any mention about your like how much duration you can have. So it is unlimited, so you can host up to 100 participants, 5 GB of recording storage per license. Automated captions are involved, so they also provide the 3 editable boards, and messaging is also possible. So if you would like to go beyond to it, as which is a business model, you can say that business feature or business plan. So they have mentioned it like a best value. So what they're offering, let me see that. So you can see here you can host meetings up to 300 participants, 5 GB storage, unlimited whiteboards are there, messaging is there, so single sign-on, managed domain, company branding. So all these are involved in the business plan. So if you're running a big business where you are expecting around 300 participants, so then you can go for this business plan. Otherwise, I feel that if you have a small community and you can have the different sessions of 30 minutes or 40 minutes with 100 participants, then the basic plan is there for you. So let me go further. We have Microsoft Teams as well. So on the above you can click on the pricing button, and we can see what Microsoft Teams is offering. So we know basically that Microsoft Teams is little bit complex and it's a heavy tool, but still it holds a very value, and many institutions, many academic institutions use Microsoft Teams. Uh, you can also say that corporate is also using Microsoft Teams. So in the free version, you can have the unlimited group meetings for up to 60 minutes. So they are giving 60 minutes, and Zoom was giving 40 minutes. You can have the 100 participant, 5 GB cloud storage, unlimited chat, file sharing, and data encryption for your meetings, chats, calls, and files. So there is another plan which is the most popular plan. It gives 100 rupees per user per month. So in this they give up to 30 hours. Like in this free version we have 60 minutes, but in this you can have up to 30 hours with 300 participants per meeting. And if you would like to go beyond it, then it's having a Microsoft 360 business basic, and then they have business standard, that is rupees 660 per month. So they have actually like how you can use a cloud storage. If you don't have any requirement for the cloud storage, you don't want to save that videos on the cloud, so then definitely you can go for the free version, and they are also giving up to 60 minutes, which is more than in case of Zoom. Then you can definitely go for Microsoft Teams. Third one is Google Meet. So we can click on the learn more buttons, to see what they are offering. So we have to click here, that is premium Meet features for Google Workspace and Google One users. We all know that Google Meet is a free only. You have to create a Gmail account, then you can join the meeting. You can create a meeting where you can invite the participants. So in the premium Meet features, so they are giving out breakout rooms, polls, live streaming, question and answers, hand raise, noise cancellation, attendance tracking, record a meeting, anonymous joins, dial in number. So they have many features when you are using Google Workspace with the premium features. So you can see that they have workspace, individual, essential, starters, and essential. So we can click on any of one category, which is workspace. So you can have it try for 14 days, and then you can go for the pricing. So they have $7.99 per month, and with this you can use all the previous mentioned features like breakout rooms, polls is available, hand raise, noise cancellation, record a meeting, anonymous join. So with the 14 days you can try it if you have any certain requirement which is mentioned in the features. So definitely you can go for that at $7.99. So they have different business and enterprise plans, so they are much higher. So we can click on any of the one. So business starter is rupees 125, then they have 672, 1260, and then you can see the difference. So here you can have 100 participants, then it's 150 participant plus recording, then it's 500 participants. Here you have the 30 GB cloud storage, then 2 TB, and then 5 TB. So basically the difference will remain in the how many participants you are engaging, how much cloud storage you need, and then the different features like breakout rooms, whiteboards, and so on. So this is Google Meet, and let me move to Flip. So Flipgrid is powered by Microsoft. It is a basically an application where you can engage your educators by creating different topics, and they can answer using the Flipgrid camera. So in the Flipgrid camera, there is a screen recording option where you can use it free of cost. So it don't have any restriction at all. So anyone can have the account on Flipgrid, and which is now a Flip. So you can start using the Flip and you can start doing the screen recording on your laptop, on your mobile phone as well. So this is a Flip, very simple, and it is easy to use, and moreover it is completely free to have your screen recording, which is powered by Microsoft. So another one is Cisco WebEx. So we can it is provided by Cisco, and we can see the pricings it offers. So in free they also give the free. So in free we can see that number of hosts is 1, and meeting length limit is up to 15 minutes, meeting capacity up to 100. So you can see that generally in the free version they are giving the meeting capacity up to 100. So if you have a small community with 100 people at once, you can go. So definitely you can choose any of the video conferencing application, and they are providing it free of cost. So if you are going to the different feature plans, that is starter, business, so you can see that there is a rise in 1 to 50 number of hosts, then 100, 24 hour is a meeting length limit, and here meeting capacity was 100, then 150, 200. And in enterprise you can contact the WebEx, wherein they can provide you the customizable plans as per the number of employees you have, number of community you have. So all these can be decided. So the starter plan was 1049, then business 2099, enterprise you can call WebEx people and they can connect with you to know about your requirements. Then we have a Adobe Connect. It is provided by Adobe. So you can click on the buy now button, and then we can see what plans they are giving. So here Adobe Connect meetings, they offers $50 per month, meeting host 25, hold a meeting up to 25 participants. And in Adobe Connect webinars, if you are more into the webinars, then you can have the up to 100 participants, they will charge you $130. Up to 500 participants, they will charge you $470 per month, and up to 1000 participants, they will charge $580 per month. And with Adobe Connect Learning, so you can create your learning management system, wherein you can you can have your virtual classroom manager. So up to 200 participants if you have, then they will charge $370 per month. So you can see as per your requirement, and if you want to see the annual plan, so just you can click towards the annual, so they will give you the per year pricing for you. So this is Adobe Connect. And then we have a Wonder. So Wonder is another conferencing tool. You can click on the pricing button. So they have three plans. One is Lite, then Pro, then Enterprise. Lite will give you $2 USD per user per month, 5 hours per week. So they have per week system. With the Pro, you can have $9 per user per month and unlimited time you can have. So with all these plans, you can have a 14 days trial as well. For Enterprise, you have to connect the team so that they can customize your plans. The last one is Jitsi Meet. So this says that start and join meetings for free, no account needed. So you can just start the meeting, you can click on the code and you can share with your participants. So they will join using the Jitsi Meets. It's a very simple. So very less popular, I will say that. But yes, they are providing free. One can try if it is suitable for you. If it is solving your problems and meeting your requirements, then definitely you can go ahead. So once again we will see the names of application: Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, then we have Flip, Webex by Cisco, Adobe Connect by Adobe, then Wonder, and the final one is Jitsi Meet. Hope you like the video. You can see how we can compare the plans and pricing as per the features or as per the requirements we have. So do share the video in your circle so that anyone who is planning to engage with their community through video conferencing tool can take the benefit. Do like the video and comments and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.